Welcome to Da Nang. Welcome to another quick video, update video. I'm gonna post this right away today because it's kind of important. New change what they have in Ho Chi Minh City. So it doesn't really affect Da Nang yet, but to be honest, I'm thinking this is just a pilot project and it will be everywhere. Just like all the Southeast Asian countries already have it, like Thailand, Malaysia, and a few other ones. I think Cambodia as well. I did the same thing for Cambodia, if I'm not wrong. Yes. Cambodia, you need a visa and an entry card. And now they're planning to do an entry card just for Ho Chi Minh City at the moment, just to fight a little bit the long queues at the immigration, which is totally understandable. But I have no idea if they're gonna completely do it for the whole country. Probably they will. Probably they will. At the moment, Da Nang is not that bad. You still need a visa if you are not in the visa exemption list. You still need a visa, and if you're arriving into Ho Chi Minh City, even if you are only connecting, okay? If you're just connecting to Da Nang, you still have to fill out this form. At the moment, there's lots of comments, and I also heard from people who came that there was not like a strict enforcement yet, but I'm pretty sure there will be. They pushed it out very quick. So April 15, few days ago, last week, or this week, they actually, it's official since that day, okay? So I will find out some news articles and the link where you can do that. Usually it's not a problem because every country, if you don't have it, you have to do it at the country. But if you can do it before, I highly suggest you doing it because you don't want to stand. I mean, usually Ho Chi Minh City, the lines are so long, you kind of have enough time to do it there. But yeah. So keep in mind, they might ask you for this, and if they're really enforcing it, like in Thailand, they send you away from the line and you have to do it. It's very annoying. But more important, of course, is the visa. If you are from America, Canada, Australia, you need a visa, guys. It's very, very important because that is very expensive. So the entry card is not expensive because it's free, right? Oh, look at this. There's a wedding going on here. So not a wedding card. The entry card is free, of course, like in every other country. I see a lot of scams going on in Thailand. When you Google it, they're highly, like, they're not ranking, but they pay for the #1 spot on Google. And there are some pages that just have a price tag to it, which is not the right thing. It's so cool. What a cool car. Huh. But yeah, keep in mind, if you're coming through Ho Chi Minh City to Da Nang, you have to have an arrival card. And I will link down the official link I found in all the news articles. There's so many news articles that say that. In the comments, usually people also say, that's not true, we did not get asked anything. Yeah, maybe at the beginning, but at some point there will, and maybe next week there will be hard enforcement. And yes, you will not get sent away again, because if you have a visa and everything is fine, they will not send you away, but you still have to do the stupid entry card blah 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 on the phone while you're standing there after a long trip. It's not so nice, guys. I know that about in Thailand, lots of people completely losing their mind about that. And another thing, I just posted another video on my main channel, guys. So you will see it here, an update, 2026 update. Also, I brought some glasses from Malaysia through Hong Kong to Da Nang, all for Marcus. So check it out. Also very important things, what I also experienced, some guys losing their card, their only bank card. Yeah, I also have a solution for that. Check out this video here, okay? and like it also if you want to see more of my social semi vlogs. And see you in the next one.